Music producers is Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com, and today I'm here to spread all the damn sauce. I don't care what no producer gotta say.
Top 5 drum kits that I prefer for trap beats on Splice.com. Let's talk about it.
Music producers, I've debated on doing this video ever since I first signed up to Splice.com. Of course, you know they got 700,000 sounds available. No, this is not a sponsored video. This is just from somebody who is a religious user of their drum kits. I want to point you guys in a direction of some high quality drum kits. Now, why was I debating it? Because there's producers in our community who hate when I do videos like this. They say, well, how you giving away all the sauce? How you gonna give away all the great drums? Because I don't care what my producer community has access to. If I can contribute to them improving and getting closer to their dreams, good. If we use the same drums, we're never going to use them the same exact way. So there's no way that I can share something with you when you put me out of business. It makes me more valuable to share.
We gotta get rid of that mentality.
Anyways, today I got 5 drum kits specifically for those of you that like to have drums that just smack or just really like to make these larger than life trap beats. So let's go ahead and run down the line. Drum pack number 1, SOUNDPVCKS Volume 4 by Loudpack, the production and DJ duo. Well, they used to be a group together and they actually split up, but Ryan Marks and Kenny Beats are good friends of mine, and these are the guys who literally have designed sounds within a pack meant to make festival crowds, yes, of like 40,000, 50,000 people move around. So they're going to give you sounds that are just packed in. I've seen these guys actually design sounds from scratch, and I'm like, it almost made me go to Ableton. Drum kit number 2 is by British musician Mr. Hudson. It's called Sad Robot Music. From the title alone and even the cover, you probably are thinking like, this is really emo and it's probably really soft drums. No, this thing is misleading. Do not judge this book by its cover. When I went to it, I was hoping maybe to get some interesting vocals, which I did, some interesting one-shot vox, which I did. I was not expecting to get some of these unique snares and layers that they put together. It really introduced me to the sounds of future bass. I was familiar a little bit with it because of selection, but then the more I got into these one-shots, I said to myself, not only is this where production is going, but this is what excites me the most. Let me dip into this some more. This is definitely a great pack to get started with, to have some unique sounds to mix together with these larger than life drums. Drum kit number 3, Sounds of KSHMR Volume 1 by DJ producer KSHMR. Now the kit is primarily made up of melodic one-shots and melodic loops and sound effects and a lot of EDM cinematic sounds, but these sounds are so important to me, especially when you're talking about sound designing some of these off-the-wall transitions that I like to put in my beats. This kind of a kit you cannot overlook. Drum kit number 4, which is actually a sleeper, is called EKALI Drum Kit Volume 1 by producer EKALI. You want to talk about somebody who has a great grasp on the way drums should sound, especially if you love big drums and you don't like them nipple flipping drums that I always talk about. Get your hands on these. There's some great snare layers, probably the best snare layers that I've come across, so where I'll use these layers and they'll add such an interesting swing to my loops that I was never expecting. There are some 808s in this, specifically one that he calls the Atlanta 808. Oh my God, it'll make your eyes bleed. It's just so subby and so distorted, but it's so nice. It kind of has like that Mike Wilmated feel to it, but the producer EKALI definitely has a unique ear and a great attention to detail when it comes to his sound design, which is why he came close to number 5. This whole thing has definitely been in chronological order because you probably guessed it already, but the number 5 drum kit that I'm going to suggest to you, Drums That Knock Volume 3 by producer Decap. Now, I know I just did a review of his Volume 6 and I'm still digging into this one, but there by far are no other volumes that I have used more than Volume 3. It has definitely done me well when it comes to just having sounds that I put within my loops that are ready. Let's just put it in there. Let's just go. That sounded kind of weird. It just smacks a different way.
That sounded kind of weird.
There's a lot of drum kits, especially on Splice, that are made for trap, and I guess the majority of anything hip hop or quote unquote urban on the website is for trap, but they don't all smack and they don't all hit the same way. I think a lot of them were mixed dry and they're expecting you to sort of add all of the effects, which is cool, but I like to see sort of the character and the attitude behind the actual producer and sound designer. Those 5 will definitely get you started along your way. There's no reason why you get your act access to those and you do not see a tremendous impact on your drums. The last few beats that I've been making, that I've been releasing to you guys, you've heard the difference. Thank you to Splice.com. No, they are not sponsoring this video, but since I signed up for an account, I do have a VIP link for you, which can be found right here. Or you can go to the description below and you can go directly to that website. When you do that, you can go ahead and sign up through my link. I do believe there's a discount applied to it. And on top of that, I get 100 free credits, which means that I can go shopping for more sounds to go suggest to you in future episodes of this series. Either way, I appreciate you watching. If you got drum kits that you want to share within the community and you got no shame and no fear about your peers having access to it, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Be a part of the notification gang. Hey. Once again, this is Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com. Peace. Please subscribe to the channel below, Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com.